police trade-ins. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this I was very fortunate and lucky enough to procure. Again, this is a clear weapon. There is nothing inside of it. As you can see, there is nothing loaded. This is an 870 Police Magnum. All right. I was able to get it for a really cheap price. Again, this is probably a cruiser weapon or something that maybe was on the SWAT truck, that kind of thing. And again, you can tell by by looking at the shotgun itself, it has these CC and G. These are rings that are on the left and right side. And what that allows you to do is to hook up a sling so your rifle or your shotgun is held in this fashion. Now, with the 870s, they also do come with the typical loop rings and the studs, right? But again, if this was a police gun, which I believe it is, also you can tell on the markings on the buttstock that that was a police issue, probably the armorer serial number, or maybe it was the, I don't know, command plus the number of shotgun. I have no idea. If this is your shotgun and it got traded in and you're watching this video, please let me know which troop or command or police station this belonged to. I think it's very cool. I'm really not gonna do too much to this gun other than clean it because, you know, like we all know, police officers don't really clean their guns. But you can actually see the wear on this thing. All right, look at this trigger guard right here. It's all chewed up. Does have some lint on there, chewed up on this side. And if you can see the ring, all right, I'm gonna try to zoom in on the ring a little bit. You can just see how beat up this ring is. All right, so what that means is obviously this gun was used. For the price that I got it for was under $300. I got this for under $300. Now this tube is a 7-round capacity. Again, depending on your state laws, you might have to shorten it to a 5-round capacity, but this thing works. Now, I haven't brought it to the range yet, but I am going to show you on how I test the functionality of this gun. Again, YouTube will probably ban me for this, but I think that if you believe in the Second Amendment, shotguns are legal in every single state. Okay, they are legal. You can own them, you can possess them, you can hunt game with them. This is the one-tool option for any farm, any home defense, and any police force. All right, a shotgun boomstick, yes, it is rounds limited. However, the round that comes out of here is pretty stout, 12 gauge, and because it says Police Magnum, I believe you can stick up to 3-inch rounds in there. Somebody let me know in the comments. I am not so much as a aficionado for shotguns, but I don't have an 870. I typically buy the Mossbergs because they're cheaper. 870s have always been in the $600–700 range. All right, I got this for under 300 bucks. So this is how I test it. So I have these are inert shotgun shells. All right, there is no powder. They are plastic, polymer, and they have a brass cap. And again, what I'm gonna do is just load up the magazine. This magazine, like I said, will take 7. And I have these, you can buy these online. These are really cheap. You can buy them online. Amazon has them. I think that's where I got them from. They're just hard plastic. And the reason you buy these is for drills. Now, I've taken a number of shotgun classes. I've done a number of shotgun drills. So I never had an 870, so I'm going to test it. Again, make sure there's a clear, safe direction. There is a safety on here. And again, the first thing I want to test is to make sure that the safety works, and it does. If I want to rack it, all right, notice that the round did slide in, all right, and again, safety still works, all right. So far we're so good. Now I know there's nothing in the chamber, so I'm going to take the safety off, and I'm going to squeeze the trigger. All right, good. Now I know because it's an inert round, nothing's gonna happen. Eject it out. Again. Get that one out of there. All right, and that's it. So I know the ejector works, I know the tube magazine works, and I know the safety works. The only thing I haven't done is shot this shotgun yet, but I tested the tube. Again, the spring does feel a little bit soft, but you can buy aftermarket parts for this shotgun. It's an 870. Again, you can get them anywhere. I was in the shop trying to buy ammunition. These were in a box. There was 2 of them. When I was talking to my gun shop owner, I asked him, I was like, hey, listen, what's in the box? He said, open it up. I got a couple of used police turn-ins. They're shotguns. If you're interested, I'll give you a price. Myself and another customer in the store bought them right out of the box, just as you see here. He's going to get a couple more in and probably sell them for a really cheap price. And again, these are very well used, very well loved. All right, these are users. So I don't think I'm going to do too much other than clean it and start using it. Now I might take this off. I might take this off, this piece. This is ideally, again, for a sling that just sits down here, and it would be like a one-piece connector sling. I don't like that. I've never been a big fan, but it comes with a nice bead on there. I don't think these glow in the dark. And it also comes with a ghost ring. All right, ghost rings, beads, sights. This clip right here is all money, all of it. All right, now there is no flashlight on there, but I could change that if I want. Again, 870 Mossbergs. I could also change the buttstock, but I think I kind of want to leave it nostalgic. Let me know what you think in the comments. So guys, the reason why I made this video is because I think you can get really, really good prices on firearms. Again, you see what's going on in the world, and I'm not an advocate of violence. But if you can get a shotgun for really, really cheap, it will put food on your table, it will protect your family. Get some training if you're gonna get one of these for a low cost of under 300 bucks. I now have something that is a very useful tool in my family. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. I hope you appreciated this video. Like, subscribe, share. Check out all the links I have down below, and as always, stay safe. Love that sound.